Wow, tea? Steel bottle, huh?
Of course. No plastics for me. Chalo, let me fill it for you. Come.
But what's the use? Your purifier has the same old plastic tank.
Oh, please. I've upgraded to the Aquaguard Enrich Superio with a stainless steel tank.
You're so rich, yeah. But isn't changing filters every year too much?
That's why I got the Aquaguard Enrich Superio. It comes with filters that last for 2 years. The Nanopore Filter technology protects against pesticides, microplastics, and industrial waste like lead and mercury.
So no annual cost or any jhanjat of filter change.
No, it even has an additional mega sediment filter. So I get complete protection with long life filters.
My super intelligent sister. But RO must waste a lot of water, right? What about that?
Not my Superio. It has more than 40% water recovery. It even has 9-stage purification with 3-in-1 active copper infusion.
Super cool. Just like my sister.
That's exactly why I've switched to the new Aquaguard Enrich Superio with 2-year filter life. What about you?